Hey YouTube, this video is going to be a little different. It's still car related, so what you're looking at is the Comp Cooler cooling vest that I just got. I'm going to test out for summertime at the track. Up in Willows gets usually over 100. So basically it as you could see, there's these lines that you run cool water or ice water. And comes with this pack here. Let me open it. So I plan to place this box in the back seat on the floor, and then the nice thing is it's portable. So comes with comes with this chest. As you can see, there's a pump in here, it runs on battery, but it does come with a DC cord you can plug into the cigarette lighter or wire it to 12 volt. I plan to just use battery for now. I did get an extra battery pack. So here's the ice chest. It's kind of flimsy. These are plastics, kind of cheap, but it is a lot less expensive than brands by Coolshirt. So it comes with the like a Tupperware container that you fill it with. You freeze it and so it becomes a block of ice. And then, as you can see, put a little bit of water. One's a supply, one's a return, I guess, and then goes to these fittings. It does have the quick release. It does support up to 2 vests. I only have one. It comes with one, and I did get an extension so that it does come with it, which is nice. And even the extension, if you get it from Coolshirt, is like almost $100. So these guys, you can buy these separately for like $40, and then the battery's $40 with the charger separately. Also comes with all these different straps. It's made for like a motorcycle, but I plan to use it in for car use. I originally got a backpack version, but I think this will work better. It has a larger container. So it's running now. It's actually pretty quiet, but I shouldn't run it when there's nothing connected and it's just pumping air right now, of course. These connector connects to the vest here, of course, and again there's a quick release. And what's nice is that it does shut off the water when you disconnect, so it doesn't it won't drip all over the place. Of course there's going to be a little bit. I wonder if these fittings are the same as the Coolshirt brand, but they look the same. But if anybody knows, comment below. Again, I got this whole set for about 300. They sell for $270. Plus I got a few. I got the extra battery pack, so about 300. About half the price of what Coolshirt sells theirs for. Of course, the quality is not as good, but I really don't want to spend that much. So here's the battery pack. It's 7.4 volt lithium. Comes with a charger, and just plugs in to here to charge right there, and it tells you the battery level. Here's the cigarette lighter cord that comes with it, and the cord if you plan to hook it up to the battery. And it came with all these straps. You could strap it down. Again, it's made to strap to a motorcycle. So this one's a medium large. You do want to get you do want it to fit tight. It does have these adjustable straps, and it does have these elastic that stretches. As you can see here, it'll stretch maybe up to 1 inch or so. So the pump's on the left, battery's on the right. These are hoses, are these black foams are or the insulator. Okay, it looks like it's kind of tough to slide it out, but I'll attach a picture of the pump that I from the backpack version that I got. Okay, so I have the shirt connected, and then I'll just do a kind of a test, but it's just going to be air. So I'm going to turn it on, and you'll hear it suck from that tube. I'll put my finger on it so you can hear it. So I placed some arrows and some tapes so I don't get the vest 1 and 2 mixed up, because it does one is the suction one, or the supplier return, and or vice versa. So I'm just put a couple red tape to quickly identify. So the way it works is this is the suction, so it sucks in the cold ice water to the pump here, comes out, and then there's a Y here, and then it goes through the vest and then comes back in again. There's a Y here, and then goes back and returns to the warm side, if you will, back to the cooler, to this ice chest. Okay, I also got this ice chest with these reusable ice pack to refill the cold ice, and works pretty good. And I just got back from the track yesterday, and I'm glad I had that vest. It was in the high 90s up at the racetrack, and I'm glad, especially when you're at the staging, just waiting, sitting, and again, the price is the lowest that I could find, even cheaper than some of the DIY option. If you made it this far, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. It helps motivate me to keep making these videos.